Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can style this power ponytail from choosing the perfect hair combos for your outfits. So this is how the hair will look like, and let me show you how you can get this one. So for the hair combo, you only need to put on 3 hairstyles. The first one, click on straight category and put on this hair. You can choose the color that you like for the hair. And then second one, you can find it on the feminine hair category, the short hair. To go it's into only bangs and use the same color. Last one, click on the updo hair category and put on this updo. To go it's into no bangs. Now the hair look is done, and this is how it will look like now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.